in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Henderson County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Hendersonville, or near Mills River, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hendersonville, Arden, Mills River, Fletcher, Flat Rock, Etowah, Fairview in Buncombe County, Mountain Home, Laurel Park, and Lake Lure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Henderson, and Rutherford. The National Weather